In this presentation, I'm going to take you through the June 2022 exam paper in the subject Marketing, examined by the Zambia Institute of Marketing under its postgraduate diploma program. So the subject is Marketing. The past exam paper is June 2022. My name is Saboi. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Captain37, and like and follow my Facebook page, Marketing Study in Zambia. And if you wish me to take you through your individual studies, you are welcome to get in touch with me privately and we can have a discussion. Let's proceed. As we proceed, if you can, I encourage you to have with you the actual exam question paper, because some of the questions are paraphrased for the purposes of being able to fit on the screen and for the purposes of emphasizing on specific points. So question number 1 read as follows. Explain the following within the context of developing messages on and around COVID-19. Explain the following within the context of developing messages on and around COVID-19. And I wish to emphasize that this particular question is paraphrased. For you to have a look at the actual exam question, you need to look at the actual exam question paper. So the following were given. Number 1, source credibility. The student is expected to explain what is meant by source credibility and how this can be best understood within the context of developing messages on and around COVID-19. Number 1, source credibility. Number 2, celebrity sources. Number 2, celebrity sources. Number 3, fear appeals. Fear appeals. Number 4, humor's appeals. This probably should have read humor appeals. Humor appeals. Number 5, comparative advertising. Number 5, comparative advertising. And number 6, emotional appeals. So a student had to explain the meaning of each one of these within the context of developing messages on and around COVID-19. So COVID-19, like everyone else already knows, caused a lot of problems for us and humankind. We lost a lot of loved ones, a lot of people were affected, and a lot of businesses were affected. Now, in the process of those experiences, businesses and organizations came up with initiatives partly to educate people on how to prevent or how to avoid, how to stay away, how to remain safe within all that was happening. And that also included educating people, like I mentioned earlier, educating people on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So one of the factors is source credibility, another celebrity sources, a third fear appeals, number 4 humor appeals, number 5 comparative advertising, and number 6 emotional appeals. Let's start with source credibility. When we are talking about source credibility, the source refers to whom the message is coming from. The source refers to whom the message is coming from. There is a close relationship between the source and the sender. So whom could be the organization and the sender could be an individual who conveys the message. This could be the public relations manager, it could be the marketing manager, it could be anyone who the business thinks is credible enough to pass on the message. With that understanding of source credibility, an audience will listen to a source that they consider credible. An audience will listen to a source that they consider credible. And what is credible? What does credibility mean? Credibility refers to a state of trustworthiness. So an organization may send through someone who the target audience considered to be trustworthy. Why would they be considered trustworthy? It is because the source may be an expert in a particular field, or it could be indeed someone who has experienced that which they are talking about. So, for example, in this particular context of COVID-19, it is possible that a business or an organization will use a COVID survivor to pass on a message on how best to remain safe and how best that particular person who is infected can remain healthy. So trustworthiness is about the source being an expert or indeed someone who has had an experience in a particular area of discussion. Number 2, celebrity sources. Celebrity sources. A celebrity is a well-known individual who attracts a large audience. A celebrity is a well-known individual who attracts a large audience. For example, we have in Zambia, Mutale Mwanza. Mutale Mwanza has got over 1 million people that follow her. Over 1 million people that follow her. She is a celebrity. So celebrities are influential and they attract attention to a message that they share. Celebrities are influential and they attract attention to a message that they share. And that is what you want as a business. That is what you want as a professional. That when a message is communicated, people pay attention to that particular message. People will pay more particular attention to a message when a celebrity is the one that passes on that message. Why? Because the celebrity is not only influential, they also attract a large target audience. Celebrities, in a good number of cases, are considered as credible in an area in which they are known for. For example, if you get a musician such as Marky2, Marky2 is a celebrity who is known and respected in the musical space. If you get Mark2 to talk about a medical condition, yes, whilst people may listen, they may not consider him as credible because he is not a medical profession. However, he is an excellent music artist and influential in that particular area. So celebrities, indeed, to repeat, are influential. They attract a large target audience, and also they may be considered credible in an area in which they are known for.